Ha kajingetai haying dorbar thau an kajilla Meghalaya Halor kajingetu kubor jong governor u MLA BRIGHTSTAR WELL Marbanyang ulapen pau ya ki babun ki jingsngu khia pa kongsan da ka baong badon shibun ki benta ki padang tuna hapdeng ki jingetu pat pa bat ki jinglong jingman ka basisha hamadan ningkong ulakdo Halor ka jingslem palat ha ka jingkiew kedan jong ki pulit na ka am branch da ka baong badon ki katu katni ki balarung kam nadu usnem khat khandai pupra ki padang ap hadu menta ban kiew kedan wal adon ki chaka balat na benta ki sub inspectors ka jinglong ka bawong ba ka kata jur ya ka minsim bat ka jingsnu khem jong ki pulit haba phai cha ka jingskan na ka ting hasilong ulaban jur ya ka jingdon kam kirki ban penbun ya ki mini fire tender ki bala rung sha ki surok ki baret jong kanong ba ula kerpa ru ban seng no ya ka sub fire station bethamai ha ka than malen ro ban pen klan ya ka jingtre kam ha ki por bami ki jingjia pasngusi ha kate ha ka bayadai bat ka boarding UMLE ula persha ya ka jingkam ba ka jingai boarding kalong ka papiang da ka bakadau ya ka jinglip boarding ka bachi aman ka por ka balakata ya ka jing impat ba ula bu jingkylli ru Halor ka jingkiw kansan jong ka dor boarding da ka baai nuksa ya ki bil ki balakiw chur ha ki kindiat banai nalor kata ula penpau ya ka jingsu khia Halor ki electric pole ki balasarang bat ki badon ru ki bal syukershan da ka dieng ka babu jingma ya ka jingskan pat ba bat ula kadau ru ya ki longging ki badang klem boarding hadu menta haba kren spang ka ulaong ba ka greatest Shillong water supply scheme ka bal slem ha ban yo kampat pau satia ka jingmentoy hamadan ula kadau ru ya ka jingmi bun ki chaka patut lut ka na constituency chong u kabalong ka jing maham ya ka jing pendon kampom hok ya ka jing don ha ka bakut ula kentu ya ka sorkar bat kitanat padai kimi ban shimkhia mardor ya kini kimat da ka baong ba ki jing duna ha kitei kijing tay bat kijing chakri pat ba kidang kata hadu menta ya ka imlang ka salang jong ki babun kinong
Thank you,
chong snong
Mr. Deputy Speaker, for allowing me to take part in the governor's debate on the governor's address. I would like to highlight some of the, which I feel the missing piece as far as the address made by the government on the floor of the House. First and foremost, I would like to deal with Home Police Department, where in fact the governor, while addressing in the floor of the House, he had announced that the recruitment for almost 3,000 vacancies is nearly completion. But then there are certain issues where some of the police personnel, especially those belonging to the armed branch, which have come and met me personally and informed me about their grievances, which have really affected the morale of these armed branch police personnel, where as per the information that I received from them, while discussing with them, is there has been a long delay as far as the promotion of armed branch police personnel is concerned. Yes, as far as the unarmed branch is concerned, for those who have joined as police constable way back in 1998, 2000, 2001, many of them have rose to the rank of sub-inspector. But sad to say that though, as per the information that they give me, that there has been vacancies as far as the SI in the armed branch is concerned, but till date, many have not been filled up. So I would like the minister and the government of the day to look into this matter. And another point that I would like to rise, which is I feel it is very important, especially in a city like Shillong, where the road is very small and fire incidents do keep occurring every now and then. Because till date, I've seen and witnessed that there are very few mini fire tender, which I feel that mini fire tender is a must in every sub-fire station, especially in the city, where there are many instances where fire incidents occurred and these big fire tender went, but they could not reach the spot because of the small roads that is there in the city. And I would also like to highlight, because in the last session I've raised this issue, where I felt that as far as my constituency is concerned, Molai, it is one of the biggest constituency, especially in and around the Shillong agglomerate. And I feel that a new sub-fire station should have come up in the Maukanro area site, which will cater to any unfortunate incident around that area in Maulai Mauro, Mautawar, down, and also it can cover this area near Maulai. So those are the concerns that I would like to raise as far as the Home Police Department is concerned. And coming to Power Department, it is good to hear from the Governor's address that the government is committed to provide reliable power supply across the state. But sad to say that though the government said that in the last 2 years there has been no scheduled load shedding in the state, but then till today there has been frequent interrupted power supply in my constituency, which I do believe even in other parts of the state as well. And I would request that this is something that is not new. In fact, it is there for quite a long time, and it has really affected especially students and those who depend on regular power supply for their work and many other issues. And recently, I would like to raise this very important issue, where recently, personally, I've experienced, and many from my constituency had come to apprise me of this problem as far as the unnatural sharp rise or increase of power tariff. Let me just share, just this morning only, one person had come and met me, where he had shared the tariff in the last 5-6 months. In the month of September last year, the power tariff is 1,265. In the month of October, it was 1,028 rupees. And in the month of November, it was 1,115. And in the month of December 2025, it was 1,118. Suddenly, in the month of January, there was a sharp increase for almost 400%, where it was 5,894. And again, in the month of February, the total bill amount is 8,552. In fact, this is just one instance, and there are many who had come to me and complained. And therefore, I don't know what is the reason behind for the sharp increase of the power tariff. It is, according to me, it is quite abnormal as far as the increase in the power tariff is concerned. And I would also like to highlight, which in fact this is not the first time for me to raise this very important issue on the floor of the House, where only within my constituency there are many rusted electric poles, which from time to time the people from my constituency had complained to me, where they had complained to the power department to fix this problem, where in any given time any unfortunate incident might happen because of these rusted pole. In fact, one of my friend from Maulai Mauyong, he had sent a photo of this rusted pole, and it was quite amusing. Where in this electric pole, I don't know, the power department to the MECL, they have used a wooden plank to fix the problem. I don't know how far it will be stable, but then it is a cause of concern as far as the safety and security of the people is concerned. And another point.
Please wind up.
Yes, sir. Just a few points that I would like to raise.
The members also have to get.
So just a few points, sir. I would also like to highlight, because even in my constituency, there are still many unelectrified households. And we are all aware that the revamp and distribution sector scheme, which is being implemented currently, and I would like to the power department to look into this matter to solve the problem of unelectrified household that is still there in my constituency. Another point that I would like to highlight as far as the PHE department is concerned is, as per the government's address, where he mentioned that the long-awaited Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme has been completed. But then we are yet to see the light of day as far as the Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme is concerned. And just a few days, I was walking in my constituency and in one of the locality in Maulai. I was so surprised because there was a time, it was almost 1 year back, along with the officials from the PHE, I went on the spot with them to show them the leakages of water that is there in my constituency. But then recently, again, this problem has resurfaced, where the leakages of money, or I mean the leakages of water, it is so much that it is a complete waste of water. Therefore, I would like to the Honorable Minister concerned to kindly look into this matter. Though there are many other issues that I would like to raise, but since because of paucity of time, I will resume my seat. Thank you.